Cook. I'll cook pasta for dinner. Cook. I'll cook pasta for dinner. Taste. Taste the soup and add salt if needed. Taste. Taste the soup and add salt if needed. Smell. I love the smell of fresh roses. Smell. I love the smell of fresh roses. Hear. I can hear the raindrops on the window. Hear. I can hear the raindrops on the window. Travel. They plan to travel to Europe next summer. Travel. They plan to travel to Europe next summer.
Fly. Birds fly south in the winter. Fly. Birds fly south in the winter. Swim. I love to swim in the ocean. Swim. I love to swim in the ocean. Dive. He'll dive from the highest board. Dive. He'll dive from the highest board. Sit. Please sit next to me. Sit. Please sit next to me. Stand. Stand up straight when you speak. Stand. Stand up straight when you speak. Wear. I'll wear the red dress tonight. Wear. I'll wear the red dress tonight. Tear. Be careful not to tear the page. Tear. Be careful not to tear the page. Share. It's good to share with others. Share. It's good to share with others. Give. Give respect to earn respect. Give. Give respect to earn respect. Take. Take a moment to relax. Take. Take a moment to relax. Receive. I hope to receive a reply soon. Receive. I hope to receive a reply soon. Offer. They offer a great deal on shoes. Offer. They offer a great deal on shoes. Refuse. I refuse to give up. Refuse. I refuse to give up. Accept. It's essential to accept and move on. Accept. It's essential to accept and move on. Discuss. We'll discuss the matter tomorrow. Discuss. We'll discuss the matter tomorrow. Argue. It's not worth it to argue over small matters. Argue. It's not worth it to argue over small matters. Agree. I completely agree with you. Agree. I completely agree with you. Disagree. We can agree to disagree. Disagree. We can agree to disagree. Protect. Protect the environment for future generations. Protect. Protect the environment for future generations. Attack. Don't attack without provocation. Attack. Don't attack without provocation. Defend. I'll always defend my beliefs. Defend. I'll always defend my beliefs. Climb. Let's climb the mountain next weekend. Climb. Let's climb the mountain next weekend. Slide. Kids love to slide in the park. Slide. Kids love to slide in the park. Shine. You shine the brightest in adversities. Shine. You shine the brightest in adversities.